We have a MacBook Pro, and it's connected with this 45 watt charger, which is doing 20 volt and 2.25 amps. So that's a full 45 watt, which is enough to charge a MacBook Pro. Also, MacBook Air is okay. All the different MacBooks, right?
Yes, we can change another one.
But this is only an 18 watt. So if you connect the 18 watt, it will also be charging right here through the PD platform. But then it will do 12 volt and 1.5 amps.
Yes.
So it's adjusting automatically. It's a PD standard.
Yes, this is the PD. This is also the PD. Yeah.
So PD is small PD and a big PD.
Yes, you can count.
This is the biggest PD in the market, right? 45 watt.
Yes. Yes. We can also show you the wireless charger power bank.
Okay, you have wireless.
Yeah.
And it works with every Qi standard phone, so it's a new iPhone, the latest iPhone, but also Android. Many different Android work here too, right?
Yes, it's working.
You can see it's charging right here. Right here. Right there. So you have a lot of different.
Okay. We have.
You have a lot of different wireless chargers. How many different designs you have for wireless?
Wireless, we have at the moment we are the WPC member.
What do you say?
WPC member.
WPC.
Yes. This one will the QI will be okay in 1 month.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Cool. So the wireless and the PD charge
Yes.
is the newest, the most important that you have, right?
And we also have this design. We make this cable.
Yeah. These different cables that you have.
Yeah.
Right there.
And the smallest.
The smallest one.
Yes.
Too.
Yes.
With this new, and this will also have. It's possible to do 45 watt in this. Can you do 45 or you only do 18 watt? 18. At the Veger power bank factory. Hello.
Hello.
Hi. I do some video with you. A lot of people see this before the video, right?
Yes, I have seen maybe the top power bank factory video.
Number one in power bank factory video. And hello. So who are you?
I'm Tony.
Tony. So you work together a long time?
Yes.
Almost 8 years.
8 years. Yes.
And before you were doing tablet business, right?
Yes.
And what else? Only tablet?
Tablet, notebook.
And notebook?
Yeah.
And now just power bank.
Yeah, just
Now
power
just power bank.
Just power bank from 2012.
And are you number one for power bank?
We want to be number one.
You want to be?
Now,
Which number are you? Number 2, number 3, number 4?
Now number one is Xiaomi.
Number one is Xiaomi. Yes.
Yeah.
Are you?
We want to be number 2.
Who's number 2?
I don't know.
We don't know.
Number 3.
We don't know.
We don't know.
But you are very big,
We
right?
just know
Yeah.
number one is Xiaomi
When did you start the power bank business?
from 2012.
2012?
Yeah.
Yeah.
More than 5 years already?
Already.
6 years?
Nearly more than 5 years.
6 years.
5
So-
years. 5 years.
5 years. How many power bank you sell in 5 years total?
Oh,
Did
so
you make a
many.
calculation?
So many.
So many.
How many million? 10 million? 20 million?
不止.
At the moment, 1 month, 1 million.
1 month, 1 million.
Yeah.
It's still, it's a big container.
Yes.
Where's your countries? The countries is
All over
India,
the world. All over the world.
In the what's
From
called?
Europe.
Indonesia,
Okay.
many places, right?
Many places.
And you have all these different designs right here. So right now I have my Samsung Chromebook Plus,
你弄了我跟他
and it's charging with this. This is a new power delivery, 45 watts, and it's showing.
I will show you. This
This is Type C power delivery.
yes, it's 45 watt.
It's the highest power bank in the world. One of the highest.
Not
now.
the highest. At the moment, maybe someone have made 100.
100 watt.
Yes, maybe someone has.
Does it explode?
But at the moment, weighs about 18.
This is 18 watt. If I look here, you have this is the 18 watt quick charge.
Not only quick charge, but also our PD.
So let's see.
I will show you. I will show you what. This is Xiaomi 6.
Yeah. Okay. And you can connect to your Xiaomi.
Yeah, you can charge Xiaomi.
And it's going to charge in full speed. So it's going to be 12 volt.
I'm there's no. I will show you later.
Yeah. It's basically going to go through the full 12 volt 1.5A of a Xiaomi. You can also do 9 volt 2A and 6 volt 3A. So, and how about these? Are these new generation, new design?
Yes, the smallest power bank.
Smallest power bank. You also have one like this.
Yes.
This is 10,000.
Yes, 10,000.
10,000. And those other one was like 5,000 or 3,000 or something.
It's 10,000. I have you come here. This is 10,000. This is 10,000. It's the smallest.
It's very small.
Yes.
So it's a new technology of the lithium ion. The newest technology, right, for how to make them compact, very very compact.
The new battery.
The new battery technology.
Yeah.
And but this is also very interesting. It's 45 watt,
Yes.
and this is available now
Yes.
for sale.
For
And
sale.
this will be 18 watt. 18 watt. 18, right?
Yes. It's
same
it's
as-
also a PD.
Same
Also a
as this
PD.
actually. It's also 10,000.
Yes.
So
10,000. 10,000. 10,000.
so that means it can do a 6 volt 3A. It can also do 12 volt 1.5A. All these three. Alright, that's pretty cool. For fast charging, all kinds of devices, even a Chromebook or even MacBook. You can do MacBook,
Yeah.
like something like this. The big one that you had, this one. You can power any MacBook or Dell laptop or anything.
Yes. It can charge the power MacBook and the
Alright.
top laptop.
Okay, let's go around. Let's see some of your engineers around here.
Okay.
Can we see what they're doing?
Okay.
Right here, this is the office where you have all these markets, India, all this, all your customers around the world. Let's check some of your engineers
And
around
here.
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 Hey, hi.
Hi,
Hi.
this is Jenny from Veger. Welcome to our company.
Are you engineer?
Uh,
No.
No.
No. So,
no, this is our engineer. Yeah,
all right. And
he is working now.
Hello?
Very busy work.
doing some power bank design right
Yeah.
here.
And this one is also.
Hello.
Hi. Hello.
Hey. Doing some different design for how it will be inside.
桌面有点乱了。
Yes.
Cool. And how about these guys? Hi. Hello. So working on some wireless.
Yeah.
Wireless.
Something like a website.
Maybe like a marketing, right?
Yeah.
Website. And here's also 3D. Cool. Thanks a lot for doing all this power for us. Okay, I'll just go around here. Okay, thank you. Yeah. Hey, what about these guys? Hey, hello.
Hey.
Hello.
Hello.
Cool. Is the staff around here? What do they do? All kind of sales. Busy. This is the Shenzhen Utopia.
Veger.
Veger.
Yeah.
Utopia is hard to reach. The ultimate utopia. Okay, let's go. All right. So what kind of power bank is this?
This is the battery, and this is the PCP.
What is the MAH here? So the final one is something like this. I hope the fingers don't get stuck in the finger can never go in this machine, no?
Yeah.
The finger will not go, I hope. Alright. And the other line is doing another one?
Another one.
Okay, let me check this one. Checking the power.
Yeah.
How about those brands? Customer or your own brand? It's your brand or customer? Veger brand. There's the round.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a lot of power banks charging. You charge them all up? It's a lot of power in there. How much power you have in this? So if Shenzhen, if power turns off in Shenzhen, then people know where to find some power. You have it. So you're charging them all up? So they're all full of power?
Yeah.
So when the customer gets it, they have a full charge maybe. Oh, it's just testing or what? What is it, testing?
They're
Charging.
They're testing the charging and the
Testing the charge. That's a lot of power banks. Okay, I've never seen so many. Have you? They're all blinking, charging. I don't want to start calculating how much power is total, but better not guess touched the wrong place. I'm checking all this. Aging.
Oh, I will show you BICI.
What is BICI? These guys just want to check on the bit. Okay. Let's go check the BSCI. What did you say? BS what? Are we going down again?
Yeah. Oh my god.
What does that mean? Is that some kind of a specification, or you are following the safety? Ah, it's a safety. So you're safe for the people, safe for the money, safe for the money and the diploma and everything. So it's good. All right.
Okay.
So what's next?
Next,
What's next for Veger? What you will do in the future?
future.
More power bank?
More power bank. Not the quality best.
The best quality. So actually, you're trying to get to higher quality, higher what's it called, higher power, PD.
PD.
You want to be number one for PD?
Number one PD.
PD is pretty cool.
The leader.
The leader.
Not the number one.
Okay, cool. Maybe gold power banks
就这么大一
is
个
also
如果容易
maybe
崩
in
的
the
话，你直接
future.
相应的在这里。